Hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, please subscribe, leave a like and a comment. Please share the video as well. So if you are not using AI in 2026, then you'll be left behind. The biggest companies in the world are using AI. So you can be a programmer, you can be a music producer or content creator, you need to use AI. So like a lot of people say that AI is going to replace us, but what I can tell you is that AI is not going to replace anybody, but it's going to replace you if you don't learn how to use it. So you need to start learning how to use AI right now. So AI is just a tool that you can use to be more productive. So today I have this tool that you are going to use when you are making your music. You can be a music producer or an artist or just a content creator or anything. So the music that you are creating with this tool is copyright free and it belongs to you. 100 you keep if you are an artist, you keep 100% of your royalties. So now the tool that I'm talking about is MusicCreator AI. So for free you can start using it, so which means you can create 2 songs a month and you have access to all these other features here. So but you can also choose to upgrade it, which you can pay $10 50 or let me just say $10.49 a month. So which you can have, you can be able to create maybe 200 songs a month, and also you can generate 100 music a month, you know. So this is the tool, but the most popular plan that you can go for is this one, which is $20.99. So and if you are interested in upgrading to this plan, I'm going to leave a link on the description below, because I'm also part of the affiliate programs. So in order to upgrade, just go and use the link so that I can also earn something with this video. So let's get started and start creating an Afro house with AI. So let's go uh, to AI music generator. So by the way, I'm going to explore all these other features right here. So first of all, with this tool you can be able to create or generate music. You can also be able to generate lyrics, which is perfect for artists or music writers. You can remove like vocal from the song. You can get the stems of the song. You can also generate AI singing voice. You can also create a cover. You can create let me just say, you can master your song with AI. You can get the MIDI of any song that you like. You can get uh, also you can, here you can edit the MIDI, but here you can get the MIDI of any song that you like. You can also get the BPM, and then there is also BPM taper. So right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to prompt it, and then I'm going to create an Afro house song, you know, a South African Afro house song. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna start by explaining this part. So here you don't have much control. You can just explain what you want or the kind of song that you want. Here you select if you need an instrument only, or maybe you also need a lyrics. If uh, you need a full song with lyrics, it means you don't have to toggle this button. But if you just do it like this and prompt it, you are going to get a full song like with lyrics. So what I like to do, I like to come up with my own lyrics. So which means in order to come up with my own lyrics, because I'm not a good writer, I go to ChatGPT and then I create the lyrics. So I already have lyrics created here. So this is my prompt. I said, help me with a South African Afro house lyrics in the style of Dacapo and Msaki. The lyrics should be written in Xhosa. Give me the title of the song as well. So here is the title of the song, which I'm going to copy and paste it. So I'm gonna come here and paste it here, and then now I'm gonna go for the lyrics. So let me do this. So I'm gonna copy everything right here. So okay, yeah, I'm just gonna copy this. gonna come and paste it here, and then when it comes to the voice, I'm gonna select the female voice, because, and then I think right now that's it. Okay, actually I also need to give it like a description, so I don't have much to say, but what I can say, just say that create a South African Afro House song, which is maybe, let me just say spiritual, because you know psych is very spiritual, so I can just see this, and then right now what I can do, I can just hit create, and then I'm gonna spend 2 creatives in creating this song. So I'm gonna hit create, and then just like that it's creating the song, and then I'm just going to wait. Alright, it's done now. So it gave me 2 songs, so I'm going to start by listening to the first song. Let's hear how it is. Alright, this is cool, but I feel like it's still empty, especially the instruments are still empty. Like what you can do, if you wanna add more, you can just come here, you see, click on remix or edit, you click on AI stem splitter, get the stems, and then take them to your DAW and start editing, or maybe start coming up with something better. Like AI is very solid. If maybe you have been making music for some time, just like me, you can hear that maybe the song is missing something. You can just get the stems and do it manually, or maybe you can just keep on prompting it and give it instruction, you know. Like this is the same, it's similar, like to how most of the producers work. You can see that when they work, mostly you will find the whole team, just like DJ Maporisa and other guys in the studio. You'll find that there's this one guy on the PC, and then they are telling him what to do. So you can do the same thing, but right now you are doing it with AI. You just tell it that I wanted to put this in this right there. But because I prefer doing things manually, I think I can just get the stems and then do it on my own, you know, since I'm very much comfortable with using the DAW or FL Studio. But this is a great start. Like, you have the vocals, you have everything, you know. Sometimes it's very hard to find the vocalist, especially if you are up and coming. Sometimes you don't have equipment to do that, so you just pay a service like this one. You pay MusicCreator AI, and then you just start creating music. Like, this is a good music that you can even release, so it's very cool. Like, most of the people, they won't even notice that it's AI. So now let's listen to the second song. So I'm gonna tell you which one is better between the two, or which one I was gonna choose if I were to release any song here. So let's click play.
Liyangba endleleni yami, ilanga liyakhanya, ndiziva inhliziyo ivulelekileyo, imimoya yandihasa. Amanyathelo amdaka, kodwa ndiphakamile, ndifuna ukukhanya phakathi kobumnyama, ndakuba mandondo ndizamile. Ukholo lwendlela luyandikhwela.
I was definitely going to choose this song, but the only thing that I don't like here in this song is that the intro is very short, and mostly, because I'm also a DJ, I wanna create, like, I want to have like a little bit of a long intro that maybe can last for at least a minute, to give a chance a DJ to introduce the song. I think it can be very hard to mix this song. So, but let me just press play. So as you can see, even the time is very, it's not enough. Like mostly house music, it has to go for maybe about 6 minutes, but right now I think Afro House, some of the Afro House, they go for my 3 minutes. I think even Ashimsa has a song which is about 3 minutes, but mostly they do like two versions, even like maybe, what do they call it, a club DJ or something like that. I have a song, I mean a club version, something like that for DJs. So this one is very short, but let me just play again.
Indlela yami ibithile, kodwa ndiyaphambili, ndiyakhala ngehlabathi, kodwa ndiyavuya. Umoya wami uyakhula, uthi phambili, phambili. Mvula iyakuza, kodwa inakundo. Manamba
Alright, I think this is a great song. So if I get a chance, actually I do have a chance, I do have time. If I feel like I don't have, I'm gonna make one. So I'm going to get the stems of this song and try to work on it, but it's just going to be as it is. I don't think I'm going to make it long. So and I don't think I'm gonna be making it for DJs as well. So it's just a song that you can listen to. I'm going to add some of the instruments, some of the sounds with the FL Studio, just to give it like that South African feel. I think it's missing like a lot of things when it comes to that, so I can do that. By the way, thanks for watching, guys. I guess we'll meet on the next video where I'm gonna be explaining AI lyrics. So I'm going to do all of these stuffs up until I finish. It's that I couldn't do all of them in one go, so I'm just gonna give myself a little bit of time. On the next video, I'm gonna be doing AI lyrics generator.